In this video, I'll show you how to scrape Viator tour and activity listings automatically using Apify. We'll extract data like tour names, prices, ratings, review counts, destination details, and direct listing URLs from Viator search results. The whole process only takes a couple of minutes. First, go to Viator.com and search for the destination you want to analyze. For example, let's search for Long Beach in the United States. Once the results load, copy the URL from the browser. Now go to Apify and search for Viator Scraper. Open the actor page. Paste the Viator search URL into the input field. Then click Start. The scraper will now collect tour and activity data from Viator automatically. Once the run finishes, open the dataset to see the results. Each record contains the tour name, price, currency, rating, review count, destination name, city, country, image URL, and a direct link to the listing. You can export the dataset as CSV, JSON, or Excel. Ready to open in a spreadsheet or import into your travel analytics workflow. You use this data for price monitoring, market research, competitor analysis, or to power a travel aggregator platform. The link to the scraper is in the description below. Thanks for watching.